Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling only what you need now. A sturdy, waterproof box roughly 20 by 15 by 10 centimeters and the core supplies. Lay everything out so you can see gaps. This visual check prevents missing critical items. Once done, sort by frequency of use. Daily meds toward the top, rarely used supplies in the bottom. Make sure to label sections clearly with tape and marker so you eliminate confusion during stress. You now organize for accessibility and safety. Put pills in labeled pill organizers or sealed zip bags and keep liquids sealed and upright to avoid leaks. Use foam, cloth, or cardboard dividers to prevent shifting. Secure sharp tools with caps and elastic bands. Once done, add a checklist fixed inside the lid showing contents and expiration dates so you can audit quickly. Make sure to include emergency contacts and any allergy notes on the inventory card for responders. You finish by sealing and placing the kit where it's cool, dry, and reachable, near an exit or main living area. Once done, set calendar reminders to inspect contents every 6 months and rotate expired items promptly. This maintains effectiveness and avoids surprises. If you find a leak, contamination, or a missing item during checks, stop and replace that component immediately and update the checklist. Make sure to test the box closure and accessibility so it works when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.